Hey, good morning and welcome to Muscle Car Garage located in Livingston, New Jersey. With the sun out and it being so hot, you got to put the top down on this 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass. You can see it's a beautiful blue, crystal blue. Darren, why don't you take it, we'll walk, just pointing it right down the side, showing it how nice and straight this body is. It's got a beautiful, clean interior. As you can see in the magazine, it is beautiful. Take a look at it. There's no tears. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Original steering wheel. The back, the chrome is beautiful. The trunk is nice and straight. All the lines are good. Take a walk down that side, Darren. Show them how nice that and straight that side is on this 1970 Cutlass. You come over here. I got the engine compartment open, the hood open. It's got a beautiful Oldsmobile Rocket 350 in it. The original 350. It is clean, nice, and it runs perfect. It could be yours. Just call Muscle Car Garage at 758-8944. Please be safe and God bless. Have a nice day.